Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to turn off hide your notes in image search on the application of REDnote. On iPhone you will go to REDnote app. In this page you will click in this sign of you and you will enter. Then in this page you will click in this sign here. As you see in this window you will click on settings. After that you will click on privacy settings. Here in this list we click on this window of ways to find you, and then here we click in this sign. If the sign changes, then you can now turn off hide your notes in image search on the application of REDnote. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.